Look, most homeowners think they're just buying a metal box that blows cold air, but when you're talking about heat pumps, you're actually buying a survival kit for your wallet in the winter. There is a hidden performance trap most people miss. They look at the efficiency rating for the summer, but they completely ignore how much it's going to cost to keep the house at 72 degrees when there's frost on the windows. I spent years as a Navy nuclear electrical operator before jumping into the HVAC world for over 17 years. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that the specs on a sheet and the reality of a midnight service call are two very different things. Today, we're looking at two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home. The Armstrong Air A7HP14F and the Ruud Endeavor RP15AY. Now, let's talk about how these things are actually built. When I pull up to a house, the first thing I look at is the cabinet. Both of these units use a full louvered steel panel. That's a heavy-duty cage that protects those delicate aluminum fins from hail, weed whackers, and the neighbor's dog. Having that louvered steel on both machines is a massive win for durability and long-term wear, especially if you have kids playing in the yard or live in an area prone to storms. Moving inside the machine, we have to look at the HSPF2. This is the rating that actually dictates your winter heating bill. Both units are nearly identical here. The Armstrong is sitting at an 8.2 and the Ruud comes in right behind it at 8.1. It's enough to keep you comfortable without the meter on the side of your house spinning like a ceiling fan. But where these two start to separate is in the guts, the compressor. The Armstrong is a single stage machine, meaning it's either 100% on or it's off. The Ruud, however, features a 2-speed compressor. This allows the system to shift gears, running at a lower capacity on those milder days to keep your temperature consistent rather than dealing with those annoying swings. Now, here is what you're really paying for versus what you're actually getting. Armstrong Air is part of the Allied Air family, which is the sister company to Lennox. You're essentially getting that high-end engineering, but without the name brand tax. Ruud is part of the Rheem family. When you buy these brands, you're playing it smart by getting flagship level quality under a subsidiary name. Speaking of price, let's get into the numbers. For the equipment alone, you're looking at about $3,375 for the Armstrong. The Ruud comes in slightly higher at $3,500. When you factor in a professional installation, the Armstrong is going to run you roughly $5,150, while the Ruud lands around $5,300. You're paying a small premium for the Ruud. But that extra investment starts to make sense when we look at the protection plan. Before we get to the winner, I've got to tell you, no matter which one you pick, if you don't clean those coils and swap your filters, you're just lighting money on fire. A dirty coil makes that compressor work twice as hard, and in a heat pump, that's the quickest way to a $3,000 repair bill. Keep it clean and it'll keep you cool. Finally, let's look at the what if scenario, the warranty. Both brands give you a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. But Ruud takes it a step further with a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. If that compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just give you a new part, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. While the Armstrong is a fantastic, rugged machine for a slightly lower price, the Ruud Endeavor RP15A is the winner for the long-haul homeowner. For about $150 more on the total install, you're getting a more sophisticated 2-speed compressor for better comfort and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee that the Armstrong simply doesn't match. Having the brand stand behind the entire unit, not just the part, is a massive confidence signal for reliability. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com